What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Verasity here, and as we can see, we're actually breaking out some very promising trend lines here. Obviously we've had this trend line basically drawn in for a long while now. We've been stuck under this resistance, haven't we, for a long time here on the hourly time frame, pretty much ever since the end of November, where we were basically having a little bit of a cooling off period here, where we had a range like this. We fell through the floor, so we came into this next range where we just came up and down for a good while. And then what happened was, obviously we had that big rollover for Bitcoin, where Verasity, in times of fear, altcoins do get highly correlated to Bitcoin. And you can see here we did have this quite significant rollover where we lost this bull market trend line here. As you can see, we drew this in a quite significant point of resistance, and you can see as soon as we lost this, we basically just rolled quite significantly, didn't we, all the way down to this swing low here, down at around that 2.5 cent mark, 2.95 cent mark there, 0.0295 cent mark, sorry. You can see we come down into this area of support, in and around this previous area of structure here, where we came down like this and then obviously broke to the upside. So you can see Verasity, it's looking pretty promising right now. You can see we started to put in a bit of a range as we've drawn here, and basically we said, once you break this resistance, we will be coming back up towards the top of the range. And you can see pretty much that's what's been happening. We've got some very promising trend lines being broken. As we said, this trend line all the way down here, you can see resistance all the way, continuing to roll over with the same support. And you think, this is a descending triangle where you're basically going to fall through the bottom. But considering how overextended the market was, we were expecting a nice bounce in the market. And you can see here, that's exactly actually what started to happen. You can see we've got the breakout and the back test. We've got the full breakout and back test again here of the bottom of the range, and the previous resistance flipped into support. And then you can see what happened was we came up, we made a higher high and a higher low. And then we got that really bullish announcement, didn't we, for Verasity, that they were partnering and integrating with Brightcove, which are a massive video distribution platform. It's going to be absolutely huge for Verasity in our opinion. And you can see we've started to have a nice little pickup off the back of this. Higher high, higher low. And then we ran all the way up, smashed through this resistance here at the 0.78. We come all the way up to the top of the range where we do find a bit of resistance. So we backtest. We come down and we backtest this previous level of resistance here, flip back into support like this. You can see we've come back up to the top of the range, and now looking as though we do want to be breaking out of this range. As you can see here, quite a decent level of resistance, but it looks as though we've actually come up, broken out now around that 4.4 cent level, which is really good to see, because you can see here Verasity, it's painting a picture. You can see if we draw in a few more of these trend lines, there's one like this as well, which was a clean, very clean, you can see the clean breakout back test continuation pattern there as well. We've also got another trend line, I believe, looking something like this, where basically, you can see same thing, resistance, flipped into support, and then continuation. So overall, we'd say Verasity, it's looking really good, isn't it? It's getting back on the road to recovery. On the daily time frame, you can see more clearly what's going on here. Obviously, massive bull market uptrend, higher high, higher low, higher high. We've come down, made a higher low again, and now we're basically looking for that next leg up, aren't we? Now we're breaking out of resistances. We're breaking out this range, and we probably do want to be coming up, as we said. Our next price target is coming up into this range above, so we'll keep things short and sweet and just go for short-term price predictions. Obviously, if we roll over back into the range, we want to be testing that 0.78 as support at around 3.6 cents. And then moving to the upside, as we said, we want to be breaking out of this next key level of resistance at around the 5 cent level here. You can see on the daily time frame, we've broke and retested the 20 moving average, which is really good to see. Next up, we are coming up towards the 55. We're probably going to hopefully, we'll probably bounce off this, back test, and then get the break like this. And then that next resistance there is what we'll be testing for. Essentially at that 5 cent level, this resistance here, where you see we've got stuck under a good few times. If we can break this back test, get back into this higher range, we're going to be golden for continuation, coming up to around that 5.5 cent mark. And then, as we've always said, we think Verasity, it's a really top quality project in our opinion. We do think it's going to do extremely well by the end of the bull run. And with all these big partnerships they're announcing, they're actually getting real world adoption, which is a really critical key thing in the cryptocurrency market that you don't often see adoption in the outside world, not just within crypto itself. And we do think, 50 cents to $1 in our opinion for Verasity, not unlikely at all. It's only really, a 10, 20x from the current price. And we do think it's going to do extremely well. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.